You're watching DIYNate. If this is your first time here, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you can be alerted to my weekly content. Alright, today on DIYNate, I'm showing off my Toro weed eater, and I want to show you something that's kind of a special ad that I have on here. It's the rino-tuff head, and it basically allows you to take your weed eater string and not have to fool around with coils. I simply swap out the string each time I wear it out, and you just slide those strings through there instead of having to mess with one of those tangling coils. So I'm going to give you a quick demonstration on what this looks like in action. So you'll see a little bit shaky video because I'm doing it with one hand, but got my fire pit here, and I'm shooting up. Kind of see how quickly rino-tuff with some rino-tuff string. Here you'll get a good view of me using my Toro weed eater along with my fixed line weed eater head from rino-tuff and some heavy duty string, 0.095 gauge. So that's really what you're going to see me using over the next couple minutes here as we go through my backyard. And then at the end of the video, you'll get a chance to see how I swap that string out, just so you can get a feeling of what that would look like. Toro weed eater itself, I've used one of these, had it for about 10 years, finally had it wear out on me, and I've got a second one because I really like the Toro brand name for weed eaters. It's just been great quality for me. So during this part of the video, I'm showing me using my string trimmer, holding my camera with one hand and the string trimmer with the other, but it's got a fixed line head from rino-tuff. I'm a big fan of it. It saves me a ton of time and I don't have to deal with the messy spool and stopping and starting with a job. You do maybe change the line out once or twice during a full weed eating job. I usually get a pretty heavy duty gauge string as well. I'll have links in the description for some options where you can buy this type of thing. It's not so much about the specific version I use, more about a fixed line weed eater head that you may want to consider for your weed eating jobs. I certainly am a big believer in it and prefer not to ever have to deal with the spools myself. You can kind of see how it's still holding up nicely, so some more cutting to do here. So this is our Toro weed eater, and normally this is me after using it. I'm just going to replace one of these just so you can see, but fortunately I've gotten through my full day of weed eating without needing to replace anything here. So what you'll see, I'm sorry, I'm clearing some grass here, but right now you can see how easy this is. We'll take, let's see which one's the most damaged. This guy actually looks a little frail. Sometimes I use my needle nose pliers just to grab them. You can use it with your fingers too. Pull it out, and then you swap it. You come back in here, and all you do to replace it is just take a piece of cut string, and you slide it in with your fingers, or if you get the jam, you can use your needle nose pliers, clean out some of the gunk here. But now you're ready to roll. 0.95 gauge, so some heavy duty. I bought it at Home Depot, strong string, so that's why I get some extra mileage out of that. So hope you enjoyed watching this video. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, purchase this stuff, the rino-tuff head, and then some heavy duty 0.095 inch string. Have a great day.